So, hi everyone. Now the file has been downloaded off the Greenbone for the VMware. So install it. Just double click on this particular file. All the configuration that would be needed would be predefined particularly. Now it is asking me to give a name of the new virtual machines. I'll give something like OpenVas. That should be good. Click on import. Now it is importing in my VMware. This is how it would be looking like. Soon the import would be completed and OpenVas will be available on the left hand side. Let's wait for the complete. And yes, now this is imported. And this is how it would be looking like. 5 GB of memory, 2 processor, 500 GB of space, 1 adapter, automatically configured by the VM configuration. But we want to have some customization. So I'm going to click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. I have a memory up to good size, so I can use, let's say, 8192. That would be typically 8 GB of memory. I want 4-core processor. This should be good. I want an addition for network adapter. So now bridged and net, that is our go-to inside the networking tab. Just press OK and power on the virtual machine. Click on close button. Now it is booting up and soon we are going to have the credentialed tab. Yeah. So now we have the interface at 1.11, but before that we need to log in. I need to write admin, that are the username default one for the first time. And it is now need to be configuring certain things. Now it is saying your Greenbone Enterprise appliance is not fully functional yet. Do you want to set up now? By pressing cancel, the question will not be asked. Let's press yes. No user for the web interface. So we want to create a web user similarly to how we created in the Nessus. So account name, let me give something like OpenVas underscore admin. Password. Now press user has been created. Press OK. Now there is no subscription key. So do we have subscription key or not? So if you have taken anything from the Greenbone Enterprise licensing modules and you have the license key given to you for the feeds, the threat intel feeds and the vulnerability management feeds, then you need to have it up, or you can have sales@greenbone.net for it. We don't want, so we don't have, as we are going to utilize for the free and open source version. Just press skip. It would be running some of the self checks and it should be good. Now everything is okay. Okay. Now we need to download certain things. So we need to go to advanced. Once go to the setup, user and everything is good. We are very much done with the case, so we can directly as of now go to https://192.168.1.11 and go to the advanced, click on accept the risk and continue. Now we have the Greenbone username and password available with us. We should be using the one which we created. For mine, it was OpenVas_admin, and the password was that I created. And speed is currently syncing. That should be fine. But typically, this is how we have the dashboard of the Greenbone. In the next module, we are going to leverage and understand the key features of the scanning versions for the OpenVas. Stay tuned. Thank you.